girlfriend said to me.
Yeah, thinking outside the box.
Yes.
Which something
I
you
have an
don't
awesome
do.
box.
Yeah.
Get ready for another episode of Fireworks Brigade Unboxed. Here are your hosts, Johnny Starr and Ron the Banker.
John, here we are with another rendition of God Bless America.
America!
Another election time favorite of mine. 5-inch canister, but this is the 24-pack.
So this is a smaller version.
Smaller version. Look at this thing, weighs like 80 pounds.
Louis and I tried to lift it up
I can't
here.
even move it.
No, my
It's
God.
huge. It's gigantic. Once again, awesome by Boom Wow, shells, and beautiful packaging. There you go, Ronnie boy, the assistant. Can't even reach it.
Reminds me of the movie, the South Park movie, Team America. There's it. America!
Yeah.
America, America,
They go nuts with that.
All right.
So this thing is. This
Now,
is
do you
great.
want to like tilt this box down?
Maybe you and I could we lift this one up? No.
Maybe.
No. Yeah, let's tilt it down.
Let's tilt it down.
I can't believe how heavy this thing is.
Tilt it down towards the camera.
Yeah. Ready?
All right. Ah, yeah. Oh my God.
Holy cow.
Look at that.
24 pieces, America.
Oh my. Look at that.
Go ahead. Luke.
Lift it up.
No, we're going to put this down on the ground.
Look at that. Boom Wow. God Bless America. Got the little rope like your fuse, like you're lighting it.
There you go.
You got this little nifty metal latch right here that allows you to lift open.
Like the top of the Grolsch bottle. You ever have a Grolsch bottle here? No?
Yes, I did. I used one when I get in bar fights because they got that big buckle on it.
Yes, exactly.
Anyways,
Right.
so God Bless America, a nice 24-pack, same as a big 48-pack.
Wooden box.
Yeah, wooden box. Awesome prop, once again, as you would want to
Collector's
have.
item, yeah.
Collector's item. All solid wood, painted real cool, with the clasp.
Let's open it
Hinge
up.
here. Let's roll it down.
Nope.
Easy, Ron. Don't break it
I
now.
don't want to
man.
break the hatch. Pull them off. There you
There
go.
we go.
God bless America.
We got 24 canisters, 5-inch, fantastic quality, great shells, once again by Boom Wow, our buddy Carson.
So what are the...
Thinking outside the box, he makes an awesome box. See that?
Something my girlfriend said to me.
Yeah, thinking outside the box.
Yes.
Which something
I
you
have an
don't
awesome
do.
box.
Yeah.
So are these, so this is 24 effects. Are they all different? Or
24 different effects.
so there's all 20, or is it all 6, 6, 6, 6?
24 different effects. That
Wow.
means 6 different, 6 different, 6 different.
Holy cow.
Yes. So it's really awesome. All fiberglass shells as well. And,
Fiberglass tubes.
Fiberglass tubes and fiberglass mortars. And comes in a nice, cool looking God Bless America box.
Yeah, this is a great,
So,
great piece to put in your garage or put in your room after you're done shooting them off. Don't put the used shells in there, obviously, but
Yes.
yeah, that's great. Again, I can't think of a
Once again, just
Another
another
firework.
awesome packaging brought to us by Boom Wow and of course Star Fireworks for carrying it.
Yeah.
And it's a really nice piece. But like I say, most important, the quality is in the shells, not in the box. So
the qualities in the
awesome.
shells. Yeah, well, Boom Wow is
Yeah.
there's no problem.
Yeah, they made a lot of fireworks for companies under their private labels. Now they started their own company. Well, they started making their own label,
Their own
which is
label.
Boom Wow, and they've done a lot for the gender reveal, and they've done some just awesome fireworks.
Carson, right?
Yeah.
Carson over at Boom Wow. Yeah, did it again. This is a great packaging. I'm sure they're great shells. We'll put a demo after this.
And reach out to Boom Wow if you ever need any firework needs, or reach out to us since we have
Yeah,
them.
Star Fireworks, Fargo, North Dakota. You can certainly get these here.
Yeah.
Right?
You got it. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. All right.
Put that one in there.